We have a hungry government that is looking for any means of income so that they can fill their pockets. If you cannot pay people who have genuinely worked, and then you are running with the choppers that you are doing empowerment, my foot. Don't go in empowerment. Yule mtu wa Soprano, leo ako siji wapi, the next day ako somewhere because he's doing what? Anafanya nini? What kind of empowerment are you doing when genuine workers cannot be paid what legally belongs to them? We are in a sick nation, a very sick nation. Mnajua we're morone waweroga kawane choir about the world. I don't know whether this choir also sang it. Dereva akiwa shetani ha? Na dereva akiwa shetani mwisho wake tuko hatarini, and we must admit that.